Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Janette's Lifestyle. Hope everyone is doing well po. And once again, I'm here to share to you with regards to my cooking menu for today, which is about fish in vinegar sauce, or let's say in our language we call it pinaksiw na isda, yeah. So of course for my main ingredients, I have here, I'll be using a mackerel, yes, there you go. And for my seasons, I'll be having black pepper, the Chinese salt and chili pepper, yeah, and of course vinegar or suka. And for my vegetable, I'll be having an eggplant, yeah, a sliced one, and of course a chili, a sliced ginger, a sliced onion, and a sliced garlic, which is fresh of course, and a spring onion, yeah. So this is only a simple, easy, and quick recipe, yeah, because we just need to boil, yes, until the fish is cooked, yeah. So kung ready na po kayo, ay sabayan niyo po ako kung paano ko po ito ginagawa. Marami pong salamat and please stay tuned. So, welcome back po. Let's start cutting the fish, yeah, the mackerel, the whole one. So, I cut it already the head. So, this dish is very famous, yeah. Yeah, so I'm just cutting it like an inch, something like this. Yes, so there you go. So of course we need to clean it. So just this. Yes, there you go. So it's time for me to wash and then arrange it in the pan and cook, okay? So welcome back. Ito na po ang pan, yeah, of course. First thing is that I'm gonna arrange the fish, yeah. This one, the sliced, into the pan, yes. Mabilisan lang po ito kasi ilalagay lang po natin ang isda at sabay ang ingredients or those stuff, yes. Yeah. And then those ingredients, yes. Okay. Ito po ay hindi na po kailangang igisa or saute or stir, yeah. Ganito lang po siya. I-arrange lang natin. And everything is, lalagay lang po natin yung onion, garlic, ginger, and this one, of course. Yeah, lahat na po. Okay? Kasi isi-simmer po natin siya until it's well done or being cooked. Yeah? There you go. And your eggplant. The eggplant, of course. Natutunan ko po ito sa mama ko sa Pampanga. Kasi I was amazed kasi nung nandoon po ako nagbakasyon, sabi ko, why is it that merong eggplant, yeah? Kasi others po, they are not putting eggplant, yeah? But in Pampanga, it is the way how they did it, yeah? The Paksiw, yes? There you go. And of course, my 1/2 cup of vinegar. Yes. Lalagay ko lang po siya. And of course, ito na po, yung black pepper. Pwede din po yung pepper na buo, yeah. But for me, I'll be having this one. Okay. And this one, the Chinese salt with the chili pepper, yes. So, napaka-simple lang po, yeah. So, I'll be putting like a teaspoon of this. Yeah, because this is quite spicy and of course, yes. There you go. Yeah. So, that's it po. Okay, this is how it looks po. Yeah, and for the last thing is that I'll be adding just 1/4 of cup of water. Okay, there you go. So, just simmer until it's well done, like 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. Please stay tuned and thanks for watching. So, there you go. Let's check po after 10 minutes. Ayan. It's getting okay na po siya. And the last thing I am putting is that ilalagyan ko po siya ng 1 tablespoon of oil. Yeah. Gusto ko po kasi sa pinaksiw yung medyo may ano siya, tuyo or wala po siyang gaanong sabaw or sauce. Yeah. Ayan. Tapos, in addition po, that is that, yun nga, nilalagyan ko siya ng 1 tablespoon of oil. Kasi po, para po, I mean, it's like masarap po siya. Parang, ano, what is it? Tasty. Yung parang ganun, malalasahan mo po talaga siya. Something like that. Yeah, so finally po, it's done na po siya. Yes, ayan, luto na rin po ang ating eggplant, yeah. After boiling of 10 minutes, yeah, something like that. So finally, this is already my finished dish, which is the pinaksiw na isda, which is the mackerel, yeah. As you can see po, wala po siyang gaanong sauce kasi ayaw ko po siya ng maraming sauce, something like that. So, medyo konti lang po siya, yes. At dahil nga po nilagyan ko siya ng 1 tablespoon of oil, tasty po siya. Ayan. There you go. So guys, if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and also the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe as well, yeah? So once again, stay safe, God bless, and thanks for watching, everyone. Love you guys!